What's up, Guide and Bolt fans? This is Nick, and today we're going to be replacing my ceiling light or my fan light in our bathroom with a Broan Newtone FG600. So you can see here on the box it says that this replaces multiple models. It's got a couple of pictures of them right there. So the farthest one on the right, or the third one on the right, so this guy right there is the one that we currently have. So you can see if you can't really see it that it says Broan on there, but it does. But that's the one that we're going to be going ahead and replacing. So I know it's the light over here on the switch. This is we have a button for the light and a button for the fan. You can see when I flip them both, the fan comes on, but I get no light. And I already replaced the bulb. That didn't do anything. So to get this off, all you got to do is just, you can see there's little tabs here on either side. So you just go ahead and push it on one side and then it pops right off. So once you have that off, like I said, I already replaced this light and I know this light is good. So we'll go ahead and take this off. It's actually pretty easy to replace this. There's just this one little, I don't know, like a set screw or just a little screw that holds it in place there. So this little screw is holding this whole enclosure in. So once we unscrew that, we just got to stick this bulb in my pocket here. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so I apologize. But we'll go ahead and just kind of push in and unscrew this, and it comes off. Should come off pretty easy. There we go. All right. Tend not to drop this on my face. And you can see here that this there's two plugins. So we have on these older models, we got one for the light and there's one for the fan. This looks like it could use a cleaning, but that's a different day's problem. So we'll go ahead and just unplug this right here, pull that right out of there. Now if we want, what I did is I actually did test that. I plugged it into plugged that into just a light socket or just a wall outlet to see if the light would come on, and it didn't come on either. And another test that we can do is if we turn this fan back on, let me reach over here. So you can hear that the fan is working when it's plugged into this one. If I just go ahead and temporarily toss into there where the light plugs in, you can hear that the fan turns on. So now that we know this is good, it's just a matter of replacing that light. So all we gotta do is take that other one out of the box, go ahead and plug it in here and attach it. So, okay, so here is the new one out of the box. You can see this is what it looks like. So there's not actually a bulb, it's just a little LED light in there. And then on the back side, this is gonna be the piece that we plug in. You can plug this into the one that we unplugged the old one from, then it does have a extra outlet to plug the fan in if it like blocks it. It probably depends on which model you have. Mine, I can still plug the fan into the original one and plug this one in, it looks like, so that's not going to be an issue. And then this is literally how it attaches. So all you get is, it comes with two different sizes. I have the bigger ones on here right now, but all you do is you just squeeze these together and you stick it up through that hole, and then when you just kind of push it up into place, you can see it gets kind of narrower down here, so it just squeezes up in there and holds it in place. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in and get one side in just so you can see how that looks. All right, so you can see here I have the one on this side put through there. Again, all I did is just squeeze it together and you can stick it up in that slot. This one we're plugging into the original light socket, and the original fan socket is still open, so it's sitting in there just fine. Let's go ahead and just turn this on so you can see that it works here. There we go. So we have, excuse me, have both the light and the fan running now. So all we have to do is just squeeze this last one up in here, and I'll attempt to do this with one hand and show you. Alright, there we go. Lost the camera for a second, but I did get it up in there. And then all we have to do is just push that up into place, and it is that easy. Voila. Let's make sure we didn't disconnect anything. Where's my button? Here we go. And we still have a light and the fan. So it's that easy. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop it down below. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.